Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the world's most beloved musicians, Ed Sheeran. With his emotional lyrics, soft personality, and heartfelt love songs, fans around the world adore him. But some have long wondered, is Ed Sheeran gay? Let's break it all down. Ed Sheeran is a British singer-songwriter known for chart-topping hits like Shape of You, Thinking Out Loud, and Perfect. His blend of pop, folk, and acoustic soul has earned him millions of fans across the globe. He's often praised for his emotional honesty and his down-to-earth personality. The rumors about Ed Sheeran's sexuality first began circulating after he posted a photo of himself getting cozy and hugging another man, a close friend of his. The picture, which showed the two looking affectionate, quickly spread online and led some fans to assume Ed might be gay. Combined with his gentle personality and emotional songwriting, this fueled speculation even further. So, is Ed Sheeran gay? No, Ed Sheeran is not gay. He has never identified as such. Ed is straight and happily married to his childhood sweetheart, Cherry Seaborn. The couple married in 2019 and have 2 children together. Ed has addressed these kinds of rumors with humor in the past, saying that he's simply a warm and expressive person who's comfortable showing affection, and that doesn't define his sexuality. So, to clear things up, Ed Sheeran is not gay. The photo that started the speculation was just a moment of friendship, nothing more. He's a husband, father, and artist who continues to inspire millions with his music and his openness. If anything, Ed proves that being kind, expressive, and genuine doesn't need to fit anyone's stereotype. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite artists and public figures.